How to fix Wi-Fi calling not working in Realme C73. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, here you can see the option airplane mode. Now here you can turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After turn on or off your airplane mode, then scroll down and click on system and update. On top you can see the option software update. Now click on it, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone. In last you can see the option erase all data. Basically it's mean factory data reset. It will destroy all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents, all the data in your device. Now click on erase all data and then enter your password to erase all your data. After erase all the data, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.